Hola! Welcome to a new video. So today we're going to learn the days of the week and the months of the year in Spanish. And I'm going to tell you about their etymological origin, which is something very interesting. Maybe you already know about it. And I believe it can help you learn and memorize these new words in Spanish. So let's start by the days of the week. Días de la semana. To find out about their etymological origin, we need to go back to the ancient Rome, around 2000 years ago. Romans named the days of the week after the main planets and stars who represented their gods and goddesses. Let's see them. Monday, in Spanish, lunes, which comes from luna, the moon. Tuesday, in Spanish, martes, coming from Marte, Mars. Wednesday, miércoles, takes its name from Mercurio, Mercury. Thursday, jueves, coming from Júpiter, Jupiter. And Friday, viernes, takes its name from Venus, Venus. So in Spanish, 5 out of the 7 days of the week kept the original Latin root. For the weekend, it changes a little bit. So from the planet Saturn, day of Saturn, we have Saturday. And Sunday, as you can guess, comes from day of the sun. In Spanish, we didn't keep these two original words. It changed a little bit. Saturday, sábado. Sábado comes from the Latin word sabbatum, which later on became Shabbat. It means day of rest. As for Sunday, we say domingo. It comes from the Latin word dominicus, which means day of the Lord. And now let's talk about the months of the year, meses del año. You will see that the words in Spanish are very similar to the words in English and many other languages. And this is because they all keep the original Latin roots. The original calendar had 10 months. They added 2 extra ones later on, and this will make sense when we see the Latin root of the last months of the year. January, enero, from the Latin word Janus, god of the doors, of the openings. Makes sense, it opens the year. February, febrero, from the Latin word februa, purification. It was the time of the purification rituals. The word fever, in Spanish fiebre, also comes from the same root. March, marzo, from the god Mart, god of the war. This was the period when they started wars, after the cold winter. You know, better to go kill some barbarians if the weather is nice. We also see this Latin root in some words related to fighting, like martial arts. In Spanish, artes marciales. April, abril, from the Latin word aprilis, month of the Greek goddess Aphrodita. May, mayo, named after the goddess Maya, mother of Mercury and goddess of fertility. June, junio, month of the goddess Juno, goddess of the unions, of the sacred marriage. July, julio. And here it gets interesting. This month used to be named quintilis. In Spanish, quinto means 5th. It used to be the 5th month of the 10-month calendar, remember? So the calendar used to start in March, and they added January and February later on. But quintilis changed its name to Julio, July, to honor the great Roman emperor Julius Caesar. In Spanish, Julio César. Something similar happened to August, agosto. It used to be sextilis, the 6th month of the year, but it took its name from Caesar Augustus, César Augusto, another great Roman emperor. And the Latin root showing the order of the old calendar stays from September till December. September, septiembre. In Spanish, séptimo means 7th. October, octubre. Octavo. In Spanish, 8th month of the year. November. You're guessing it, right? Noviembre, noveno. 9th month of the year. And last but not least, December. Diciembre. Décimo. 10th month of the former calendar. I hope you found this video interesting and that etymology will help you remember the days of the week and the months of the year in Spanish. Días de la semana y meses del año. If you have any doubts, questions, or suggestions for me to create some more interesting content for following videos, let me know in the comments.